let's start. Hello, this is my vending machine breakdown for assessment 2, code lab 1. Let's start. Okay, so we start off with running the program, the code, and first we see on the first line we import time. And for what this does is we can now add delays on our programs. So if I run my thing again, if you pay attention to this, the menu loaded in really quickly, but the insert cache part, it had a delay of 1 second because of this command right here, time.sleep 1. It just gave us a delay of 1 second, and that adds a quality of life effect in the vending machine code. And so now we go into this program, but I will explain the while loop in a bit. So after we get past this, we will input our money. So I'll put 10. Then now it asks us to enter the code. So and the codes can be seen in the menu over here, which was printed over here at the very top. And then we can choose from any of them. We have we have 12 options, but for this video I will only use the bottle of water as an example. So we will put A1, and then we go to this function over here. And after this one, after we input the code, we go through the very bottom after every function, and we go to this. And this part, what this part essentially does is it runs our function. So if it detects that product code is A1, it'll run A1, and it goes for the rest as well. But if it's none of the above, or if it's wrong, it'll say code invalid, and go back with the go to the loop. So we go back up. Every function is the same, but it all has a different variable. And so yeah, we use A1 or water as an example for today. And now, if the amount of money in is greater than or equals to water, we'll go ahead and go here, and we will continue with the program. But if it isn't, then we will go to this else statement. It'll print out this message and the remaining, which is this over here, this variable, which is the price of water, which is 1, and money in. So this is 1 minus like a number under 1, I suppose. And then it will print that message. But for now, we can go here, and since it prints this message, then we are given an option, or like an input, and we can choose from either 3, either Doritos, Lay's, or none of the above. If you choose Doritos, it will go to this particular part of the code. It'll print out this part. It'll print out dispensing a bag of Doritos and a bottle of water if we have enough money. In this case, we do, so we should try it. So we put 0, 0. We got this message over here: dispensing a bag of Doritos and a bottle of water, and it prints out our change, which is 5. And then we go all the way back down here, and prints this message. It asks us whether or not we want to continue or not. So if we press no, or if we put in no, it'll turn QUE into true, which ends the loop. And the loop starts here, right above where we input our money. And QUE is false. So whenever it's false, the loop will keep running until it becomes true. which is all the way down here, when it asks us for input. So we put no, and QE is changed from false to true, which ends our program. But we run again. So we input our money again, so which is I guess we could do a 0.5, let's say, and then let's put money code, of course, water again. And then since we didn't have enough money for water, it brings us here to this part of the code. Since we didn't have enough money in, it prints out this message over here. Then let's continue again, and we have to insert our cash again. So I'll put this time 10, and of course water again. And this time we will click no, or 02, so none, and then it'll dispense our bottle of water and show us our change. And then if we put yes this time, we are asked to put in money again, since our change was dispensed. So we put in cash. I guess this time let's be a bit more generous, 100. Water again, I guess. Who knows? Then we put lays this time. Then yeah, it shows that 95. And all of the functions are all the same. They just have different variables. So there's really no need to look at every single one, since it all does the same thing except for like a few parts which has more recommendations over here. So you can see, like this one over here, it has 4 recommendations, or 5 I mean, but most of them are like three options.